Hey everybody, we want to introduce you to a new video series called What's in the Shop. This is where we have real customers with real problems, and the most important thing we want to show you is how to prevent them. So come with me and let's go see what's in the shop. So today I'm in a 2017 Coachman Chaparral Light, and the reason it's here is it's got major rat damage. As you can see, all the insulation down here on the floor came out of the roof air conditioning. You can see that there's damage on the cabinet panel. You can see all where the mice or rats have chewed on all the cabinets. They've been in and out of all the drawers. They've even chewed the dinette. They've chewed a knot on the dinette in different areas. They've chewed the couch completely underneath the underside. They've chewed into the screens on both of the slide outs. They've urinated and feces all over the dinette couch itself, not on the electrical outlets. We've gone through and been slowly numbering, so all the red spots that you're seeing is tape and numbers where we started, itemizing what was wrong. So again, as you can see, they climbed up here and they chewed on the wall paneling. They chewed on the outlets. It smells pretty horrific in here. They got into the roof system of the air conditioning. And so we're waiting to hear back from the insurance company if they're going to allow us to completely remove the roof in order to get into the ductwork and repair it. Since you can't do that from the inside, it'd be easier to remove the roof. As you can see all the debris in there and up here in the vents. It's snowing down on the ground. Did that earlier. They've chewed the heat registers and floor vents. So we're outside at the outside barbecue area. You can see my red tape. If we go ahead and run the Coleman barbecue out, and we look back at the water heater, you'll see that they've been chewing up around all the insulation on the water heater, and have even made nests back there. They've chewed up the 110 wiring. It's over in the corner there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more to show you. And we're not going to leave this coach plugged in tonight, obviously. Thank you so much for watching What's in the Shop. Please hit the subscribe button so you can see our next episode. Thank you for watching.